Okay, so for this strategy, you need 200 EMA, okay? And then you need a Donchian trend ribbon. Donchian trend ribbon. Okay, it's this one by Lonesome. And the setting is 30, all right? And then you need a Wavetrend indicator. Wavetrend indicator, Wavetrend with crosses by Lazybear. It's this one, all right? And the setting is, I use default settings, and I uncheck this bar color here, okay? Okay, so for buy, you want the price to be above the 200 EMA, you want the Donchian channel to be red, and you want the wave trend to cross up from below the zero line, okay, the middle line here. So the green dot must be below the zero line, okay? So here is the signal, okay? You can buy here. So stop loss is last swing high, swing low, okay? So here's my stop loss. So you can target 1 to 2, all right? You can target 1 to 2 or 1 to 1.5. Okay, so here we have a signal as well, but we get stopped out here, okay? And then we have another signal here. Okay, so the green dot is below the zero line, Donchian red, and price above 200 EMA. Okay, so here is our signal. Stop loss is logical swing low. Okay, so here is my stop, target 1 to 2. Okay, and here is another signal. All right, and Donchian red, price above 200 EMA, and the green dot is below the zero line, okay, this middle line here. All right, so you can buy here. You can buy, okay, this candle. You can target 1 to 2 or whatever, okay. And then you have another signal, okay, Donchian red. You can buy there and target 1 to 2, okay. And then you have another signal here. If you missed it, you can put stop here. And okay, here we have another one. All right, Donchian red. Okay, so you can target your stop loss can be here or here. You know, it's subjective. Okay, so that's it for buy. So for sell, it's the opposite. The price has to be below 200 EMA. The Donchian has to be green, and you have this wave trend cross down. Okay, the red dot, and it must be above the zero line. Okay, so here is our sell here, and stop loss is right there. So you can target 1 to 2 or whatever. All right. So here we have another signal. Okay. Below 200 EMA, Donchian green, and red dot is above the zero line. So you can target 1 to 2. Okay. Again, another signal here. If you missed it, same thing. Target 1 to 2 or something. And again, we have another signal here. And the reason why we pick sell when the Donchian is green, because we don't want to be lag. Okay, that's the reason. Because we want to buy, we want to sell near the EMA, right? So here we have a sell here. So your stop loss is right there, and you can target 1 to 2. So obviously all of these are cherry pick examples. Okay. All right. So here, and we have a sell here. Okay, Donchian is green, and it crossed down. All right, so your stop loss is maybe right there, and you can target 1 to 2. All right, and that's it. Thanks for watching, guys.